Good morning, students. Today I'm going to tell us about the topic is packet switching. Okay, this packet switching, okay, it is one of the types of the switching network. So we will see like how the switches it is going to travels throughout the network. Okay, in the format of the packet, and this packet switching, okay, they are going to helpful for the different layers. Okay, it may be a datagrams packet switching, or it is a virtual packet switching. Okay, how it is going to happens inside the networks, and what are the useful or what are the advantage of this packet switching, everything. Okay, we are going to discuss this video. Yes, now it is packet switching. I'm going to explain now. See, the packet switching, which is nothing but whenever the informations, okay, we want to transfer, or whenever we want to transfer the message through the packet switch network. Okay, here we required that message, they are going to divide it into different number of packets. Okay, that packets, it should be a fixed variable, or it is a yeah, it should be a fixed variable. It should be a fixed data, or it should be a variable packet. Okay, they are going to consider that message into two types, that is one will be a fixed size data, or it is a variable size data. So based on that, they are going to travels that particular informations through the packet switch network. Then here the size of the packet, okay, is determined by the network and the governing protocol. Means, which is nothing but, see, whenever the size of the packet is determined by the network, okay, based on the protocols. In packet switching, okay, there is no resources, okay, for allocating the packets. Okay, which means there is no reserved bandwidth on the link, there is no scheduled processing time for each packets. So that, okay, we are going to call it as the packet switching resource allocations. So each packets, there is no any resource allocations. Okay, means we don't want any resource allocation, and we don't want any reserved bandwidth for do the transaction from one device to another device, and we don't want any scheduling process. Okay, means before only we have to schedule the time. Okay, means within that time, okay, the transaction has to be completed like that. Okay, we don't want any scheduling process. So these all are one of the advantage of in this packet switching. And the resources are allocated based on the packet demands, and the allocation, it should be done first, first come first serve. Means whenever we are going to allocate the packet size, or it is a variable size, okay, it should be a first come first. Means whenever the first packet will be a enter into the that particular circuit, so that packet has to be moved to the first throughout the network. Means that packet has to be moved to the destinations. So this is what the first come first serve in the packet network. See, in packet switching network, I have used for the two types of the packet switching, that is datagram network as well as the virtual circuit. So what is the datagram network? See, the datagram network, which is nothing but, okay, we are going to treating that particular packet for the independently for all other. Even the packet is a part of the multi-packet transmission. Means even the packet, okay, it is a part of the part for the multiple transmission. Here the network we are going to treat has the whatever the packet, okay, we are going to send through the existed parties. Okay, and then packet we are going to refer as this datagram. Means, you look at this the diagram. See here, the A is one of the device, or it is a end system. Okay, here they are I'm going to sending the different datagram packets, that is 4 3 2 1. Okay, the datagram, which is nothing but they are going to use for the frames. Means the given data, they are going to divide into the manageable data unit. Okay, that manageable data unit, okay, they are going to call it as the packets. Means they are going to treat it as that particular datagram in the format of packet. So the packet, okay, you look at this this router. Okay, see here, it is not a router, it is switches. Okay, the switches, through the switches, okay, the each and every data, so they can transfer through the network, and particularly they have to reach all the all the dedicated link, okay, of all the dedicated link, and I mean, that particular data they can travels through the all the dedicated link in the other multiple nodes or multiple parties, okay, which is already interconnected to that particular network. Okay, they have to reach all the data through the dedicated circuit. After that, okay, suppose like the sender, like they want to send the data to the device X, or it should be a device Y, okay, so that particular destination or the particular device, okay, they are going to consider as the destination. That data will be a send that data will be come through the sender, and like the sender has to know like this packet, it should be a reach to which device, either it should be a X device or it should be a Y device, okay, so either any one of the device, okay, the sender it is going to decide, so that particular device, okay, it is going to reach that packet through the circuit, through the datagram network, okay. See, this is what the datagram network will be a do. The next one is, see, like that routing table, okay, see the routing table, okay, which is very important here. See, because like the router, okay, which is going to helpful for fetching the destination address, and they can use the ports which is nothing but whatever the data we are going to sending, the first data, second data. So based on that, okay, they are going to reach that particular data in the proper time to the destination. So this is what the routing table. The next one is destination address. Yes, say each and every packet, okay, they can carries the header, means okay, they are going to label that particular data. Yes, this particular data, it should be a reach to the destinations, and this is what the informations, okay, they are going to carry, means the destinations, okay, they are going to label as the particular destination address on the packet, so that this particular packet will be reached to the particular destination node. And then what is the efficiency? Yes, efficiency, it is very important for in the circuit switching network, because the resources are allocated only when the the packet has to be transferred. So these all are the different phases, okay, which we are going to use in the packet switching network, okay. Then you look at this diagram. Yes, the transmission time, waiting time, and these all are the different like how the packet will be travels from one to another, means source to destination. So during that time, okay, they are going to face for the three types of transmission, that is propagation delay time as well as the waiting times, means the waiting time, okay, it will be happens between the two times, okay, in between, okay, the waiting time will be a more, okay, if the process will be done for the on time, okay, we have to ignore the waiting time. So this is what the it is what the timing diagram it is going to says. Then next one is, what is virtual circuit network? The virtual circuit network, okay, it is one of the it is one of the packet switching network, okay, and here like across the network, okay, the circuit switching network as well as datagram networks, okay, in between the see the virtual circuit network, okay, is across between the circuit switching network as well as the datagram network, and it has some characteristics of the both, means it is going to extract the characteristics of the circuit switching diagram as well as the datagram networks. And this circuit switching network, okay, we are going to use for the setup connections as well as the tear down, so everything for making for the transfer the data from one device to another device. So and here in the circuit, yes, in the circuit switching, okay, the resources can be allocated, resources can be allocating at the setup phase, okay, based on the demand, okay, based on the demand, okay, resource demand, okay, we are going to allocate the resources in the datagram network. And the datagram network, okay, the packet size, it should be a fixed packet size or it should be variable packet size. Based on that, okay, the packet will carries the destination destination address over the packet, so that the packet will be easily reached to the destination from source to destination. So this is what the datagram will be taken care. So it is going to extract the features of the both virtual it is going to extract the features of both circuit diagram as well as the datagram diagram, okay. So datagram network. Then you look at this virtual network, okay, like it is combinations of the both circuit as well as the datagram. Like here, like the data link, okay, I mean the data link layer, okay, they are going to implement it normally in the virtual circuit diagram. Okay, so like the physical layer as well as the datagram network, okay, they are going to pass, means they are going to interconnect it with the multiple nodes, okay, that is the end systems, okay, means every time, okay, the data will be a transfer, or the like the variable or the packet will be a transfer to the switch. Okay, like that should be in circular motion form. See, that will be in circuit form. Okay, like each and every end system, they are going to interconnect it with the all the circuits, so that like based on the allocations, okay, based on the resource allocations, okay, and like based on the resource allocation, or it means based on the demand, okay, they can send the data from source to destination, and every data it should be labeled with the destination address. So this is what the virtual circuit will be happens. And like we are going to use for the addressing and global addressing, yes, obviously I said just now only, the destination, it's having the like destination IP address, so we can easily find out the what is that find out the which device, okay, it is a destination device, so it is can transfer the data immediately to that particular destination. Thank you.